Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I step my ground until the day
reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved.
Evening, guys. So me, I'm just tired. But before I just freshen up and everything, I just wanted to do I have my monthly budget book here. I don't know if it can be able to read well because I'm just using the screen on the other side. So I want to just write down what I really need because I need to do shopping this weekend. Yeah, so because I have some food stuff I've already like zimeisha, so I need to add them. But before that, I need to clear the pantry, remove everything that maybe is expired. I always do that, check that every month. What is expired, I throw it away, and then I just write the things that I need. If there's something already I don't have to add, that's what I do. That's what I do with a book with me. So that one is much easier. So I don't know how I'll do this because I don't have a stool, so I don't know how I'll do this. But let me just know how I'll place you guys so that we can do this together because I really need to work on this pantry. Since I moved, I've never even bought the jars. Actually, I've neglected the house for a year. Yeah, I've been busy, but I've never been put my mind to the house. I don't know if you're getting my point. So I've never bought the jars, but I'm planning so I have an acrylic I just want to use just to organize. You know, if you have a small space, what you do, you get some baskets to organize. That one makes work easier for you, and also the space looks neat. So let us do this together. So let me just find a place and then tuanze. So guys, I need to come up. Okay, I don't know how I'll do this video, you guys. I don't know. So I just want us to do together. Oh my god, my stool is gone. Oh my god. So yeah. Hapa ni suffering after suffering. So yeah, okay, on this side I usually put these ones you see, even I don't have jars for this, but we'll work on that. Stay tuned to see where I get the jars from. I was thinking to just get them from Amazon, but I don't know what happened. There's something happened anyway. Let us just use this. So I usually check that unapatanga umemaliza but kamkebe kako hapa kama aka kamebaki kadogo kaeni farm. Imagine I'm struggling to just make this video. I don't know you guys if you understand this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, and if you're new, you're also welcome to this family. I hope this is the content that you like. Please remember to subscribe, guys, because it's not easy. Struggle. Anyway, so let us just start. We are in the month of November. So my book is on hata imeisha na mwaka. So in the month of November. So I'm just trying to write things down. Yeah. So guys, these are the acrylic containers that I got from Kamkunji, and I showed you guys from the last video that I did. If you haven't watched it, please, I'll just put it in my description box. You can check it out. So I'll place the spice jars inside this one so that I can try and save the space.
When it's December, you'll barely remember.
So what I do, I just check whatever that I need and then write down, check the expiry date and throw away, and for that I can declutter things that I don't need here in the pantry. So that's what I'm trying to do right now.
Think of our friendship, a part of my
So let's say if I have sugar, I don't have to write sugar, and I have it in stock. I just write that what I don't have in stock, even if there's something has remained small, I just let it finish so that I cannot end up having bad things.
My heart rips, I want you to know, even though it doesn't show. I want you to know I miss you. When I've rest about you, they know that it's all true. They call me a fool cause I still wanna be friends with you. I want you to know, even though it doesn't.
I'll just do it slowly here. Maybe just show you the most important things. So you see what I'm saying? Like it was spread all over and it was looking so bad. But when I put this, look how neat it is. Even though I don't have the space just right now, but at least it's well presentable. So this is what
I want you to know I miss you. I'll miss the days we prank called each other. I'll miss the days we played sports together. You won't remember these memories, but I'll make sure that I'll keep them with me. Goodbye, goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I'll miss the days we laughed together. Goodbye, good friend, goodbye. I'll miss the days we sang together.
how I'm arranging from the tea box, my tea small box. So I was just arranging with you and removing them in the packet. So ndio namalizia. So these are my coffee sachets that I'm trying to arrange here.
We're no longer friends, but this fight will never end. You avoid me in the.
So guys, you can see the outcome after I've just a small rearrangement and threw away what I don't need, the ones that have expired. Yeah, so when I'm restocking, it will be easy for me. You can see the upper shelf. So even if I get the jars, at least they will stakwa supu. So you can see here, this side is food stuff, and then just that section is just for toiletries. Yeah, so that's how it outcome is. You see the before and the after is change. And also imagine I have now remained a space which I didn't have. There's a space that I have remained with which I didn't have just because of this. This one has really helped, this acrylic container. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys for today. Guys, you've seen the outcome as I've just tried to rearrange and threw away the things that I didn't need. So tomorrow I'll do a restock of the food stuff that I need, and also place the jars so that you guys can see how it will just look like. So you guys, let me meet
the next day.
Guys, this is the next day, and I had I'm just from shopping. I've already washed my containers. I had left them drying, so I just want to refill and restock my small pantry, you guys. And this is the part that I like. Just restocking makes me satisfied and fulfilled. So that's what I'm going to do. And if you haven't watched the video that I showed you that I bought the glass jars, please go and check it out. You can know where I bought them from. So today we're just restocking and refilling everything and just rearranging our small pantry again.
Library, I want to know, even though it doesn't show. I want to know, do you remember me? Your little pals seem cooler than me. You say you're friends, but will they keep you from going through hard?
For the glass jars, I'm just going to add my cereals.
I want to know, even though it doesn't show. I want to know, do you remember me? I'll miss the days we prank call each other. I'll miss the days we played sports together. You won't remember these memories,
that's all. Oh, this thing is big because there's 1 kg. You may feel too that space. It's a big one, so I love it because the clip is so tight, so tight. So I have these bottles, guys. I need to put vinegar, and then the other one I'll put this. I don't know how let me see how I pour this one.
Everybody's calling, telling me they saw you out last night. But I didn't want to hear it, cause I didn't see it with my own eyes. Now I ain't being naive, not saying I don't believe that you've been cheating on me. Boy, I'm just letting you know.
So guys, I'm done. Okay, I'm done with the what I had. So this one I've just put olive oil. I need now the stickers. Okay, I don't want the big okay, there are some stickers that I'm looking forward to buy because the other ones are so big. That okay kapa najua ita kwa kubwa from this part, but anyway, we will see. This is vinegar, and then here are the dengus, beans, njahe, masor. What do you call these ones? Let me call them masor or lentils. So yeah, that's all of today.
Before I put your shit on out that door that I've been holding on too long. I've been singing this same old song. I've been holding on too long, and boy, you're still doing.
So guys, that's what I've made. Aki, that I really need to arrange to get this more, the jars, but na find this a bit big because I need for like unga ya uji. There's some I have this what is it called, granola, that it's in a packet and I've not put. So also this one needs to be put in a jar. Oh my goodness. But that's the outcome for now. And then behind here, that's when I've put hizo zingine ndogo. Oh, I know the lighting is a bit inachoma, but anyway, so that's then these are the big ones. These ones I cannot put in this one. That's too much because I get like 5 kg, but this one I get like 4. That one I get 5. Look, I like rice. Can eat rice. And then those are my toiletries. Those ones are what I'm supposed to remove there so that I can get enough space. Yeah, and then so that I can get enough space for the food. But anyway, everything is one bit like you cannot do everything at the same time. So slowly by slowly we'll get there.